The Lexus LS460's key fob uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the fob at the seam, typically near the key blade. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob case back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is off during testing. Wear gloves to avoid static electricity. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and not expired. Counterfeit batteries are a minor issue, so only use known brands like Duracell or Energizer. Consider cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with a cotton swab. Reprogramming is rarely needed for 2007 to 2012 models after a battery change, but issues may indicate a faulty transponder. For persistent problems, consult a mechanic. Note: smartphone apps can now offer battery health diagnostics. Older models may require third-party adapters for this feature.